guys, welcome back to the channel. So, it's another installment of BTA Cooks.
Yep. I'm Brian.
I'm Tim.
I'm Alex.
And today we're going to do our usual cooking.
Yep.
Yeah, and for today we have a special person of interest. We're going to be covering Bad Bunny, Puerto Rican,
Woo!
I guess trap singer.
22 on Spotify.
Yeah, 22 in the world on Spotify. I guess most famous songs are Mia, Zafaera, Calladita is one of them. So really good stuff. Really good story. He went from rags to riches. He used to work at Pueblo, which is a supermarket in Puerto Rico. He was a bagger. So we're going to be covering him, and we're going to kind of show you guys in a little bit the type of meal that we're going to go with, but it's going to be like a Puerto Rican staple.
Ooh, sounds spicy.
It's going to be good.
Get it.
Keep watching the video. It's going to be great.
For today's dish, we're going to be, of course, doing a Puerto Rican meal. I'm Puerto Rican. Bad Bunny's Puerto Rican. Puerto Rican staple. You basically have rice, beans, chicken. Pork chop is probably the main thing that people eat over there, or pork in general, but pork chop is what we're going to be using. So we got some nice ones, courtesy of H-E-B. Get some rice. For the flavoring, we're going to have some peppers, beans, cilantro, garlic, onion, generic spices, tomato sauce, sazon goya, plantains. We're going to make something called tostones, which is a staple of Puerto Rico as well. The ingredients that we're going to use for sofrito, which basically you need cilantro, garlic, red and green peppers, and some onions. So we're going to put this in the blender. So all that goes in there.
Taught Brian how to cook some rice. Step one, you got a rice cooker. But making your rice, super simple. Rice cooker, put however many cups you need, and then do the typical Asian trick. Make sure to wash your rice, and then put your finger in the water, and when it hits like about this marker, you're good. Press the start button, you're good to go. Ain't that right, Brian?
Yep. Don't wash it with soap. Learned.
Take 2, take 3, 5.
Yeah, probably that.
Start off with low. Alright, so sofrito's done. So basically, it's like a little puree for flavor. Alright, so pan's kind of hot, so I'm gonna add some oil. So following that, it's all about getting creative in the kitchen, guys. Cook this for about maybe 15-20 minutes, and we'll get back to you guys in a second. So next thing that we're gonna be working on is our plantain. So we're gonna get some oil going, put it on the pan. Fill it up about maybe halfway. The process is we're gonna do a once fry like this. Drop them in once it's hot enough. After that, we get them out, and then we're gonna flatten them fully, make them kind of like a mini pancake almost, and then fry them again. And then once the twice fry is done, you'll have proper tostones. Beans, almost done. A little bit of sazon. Sazon, baby. So we're now focusing on the pork chops. Garlic powder, adobo, a little bit of salt. Getting ready to fry, so I'm gonna start that off gently. Drop it in there. There you go. Perfect. Ooh, perfect.
Yeah, part of the video is besides teaching you guys, I'll teach you Brian.
That's right.
This is so sweet. It can't be jam. It's gotta be jelly, baby. Look at that jelly roll.
Putting in.
Ooh, that's nice and golden.
Yeah, the pork chops. Look how thick this is, guys.
That's a big cut of pork chop.
Close to an inch. Ooh. Always brings us the best quality, thankfully. Get them out quick. So yeah, my tostones don't come out the way they should be. I'm blaming Brian on this one. We're gonna go flat, and that's how it's supposed to look, ladies and gentlemen. Once fry for the shape, and then the twice fry for the finished product, of course.
Ooh, done.
Explain what you just did, Brian.
I just twice fried plantains, not one, twice, in the fry. For a nice golden color. They look good.
I'm gonna try two different things. I'm gonna try to fry a pork chop. Puerto Rican grandmas everywhere might be proud of you. I mean, this is the standard right here. With this, once they cool off and the oil kind of comes out, we're gonna make mayo ketchup, which is another Puerto Rican classic. Super simple. Just get mayonnaise, ketchup, a little bit of garlic powder or adobo, and it'll be a dipping sauce. And it's perfect. Yeah, Brian's learning, guys. He went from not being able to cut bread to frying things, cooking rice.
I only took 4 videos.
Yeah.
Ladies, my friend is single. He's ready to mingle.
Ladies, I don't want to toot my own horn, but think I can cook.
Brian is one of the nicest people that I've met. Super sweet, super caring. If you invite him somewhere, he's always there. He might be late, but he's always there for you. So like I said, if you need someone like Brian in your life, I mean, put it in the comments, do whatever you need to do.
Ladies only, please.
Quick update on our skillet. The meat is done. Looks like we cut it. Very nice, very nice. Nice and white. That's beautiful right there. That's beautiful. That's what you want.
That's pretty good.
Nice. Mouth to mouth.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Good, right? Well,
First impressions?
good flavor.
No thermometer them.
Alright, so guys, we're finally done with the process. The Bad Buddy meal is looking really good. We're about to show you, but I wanted to make this as authentic as possible to like what I was having when I was younger. I still have it, but like childhood memories of like my grandma cooking for me, and this is very close to how it looks and how it tastes. So here we go. Woo! So that's what we got. We got pork chops, plantains, white rice, red beans, and mayo ketchup. Alright, so moment of truth is here. Taste test. I'm gonna start off with that. Get a little taste. Good crunch. Nice and golden. Move on to the rice and beans. That's looking real nice. Wow. Wow. Try the beans. Try the beans.
I'm getting
Wow.
jealous. I'm getting jealous over here.
Wow. That's good. The beans are perfect. Wow.
Woo. Dang. That's good.
Oh,
That's good. You know what? I don't even like beans like this.
damn.
I don't eat
It's
beans.
been converted.
don't
Man
eat
doesn't
beans a
eat
lot.
beans. Avoids them.
I was skeptical. Because every time I had beans, it's like, man, they were nothing special, you know? You try plantain.
Hey, you gotta get the pork chop.
I have.
The main thing.
It's good.
I need the main dish.
Main
Hold on.
course. Come on, Brian. Main course.
Dip it in the sauce.
Yeah, ketchup. Yeah,
Put you on something new.
Mmm.
Now taste that flavor. That fat. Woo! Hits you, huh?
I'm so jealous. You guys got to eat before me?
That's good. Somebody's got to hold the camera.
Oh, good.
Good, right? Wait till you try the rice and beans.
Excited.
Right?
Slaps. Straight
Right?
slapping.
Hope you saved that sauce, right? I need some more of that rice and bean sauce.
Oh, there's plenty of beans
Good.
left. There's plenty of beans left.
That's good though.
How we looking? How we looking? One out might be a little bit burned, but it still tastes good. Don't forget the mayo ketchup dip. Ooh, watch that flavor. Oh baby. Good, right? I wasn't overplaying this. It's good. Guys, I think it's the best I've done so far. The boys, they helped out a lot too. Brian did a great job on the plantains. First time ever frying plantains, and look how good they came out. Golden.
I think it's first time frying everything in dinner, right?
True.
Pretty much.
True.
Other than fried oil.
Golden. Delicious.
Okay. This is real food. A real dish.
Pretty good here, boys. Pretty good here. You guys will get the review.
All right. We'll be back.
Big pan of Doge.
So guys, it's time for that part of the video where we got to review our meal. But right now we're in a little food coma because it was really good. We ate all of it. All right, Brian,
Stars off.
the Bad Buddy meal. What are you gonna rate this as?
0 out of 10, Brian. Come on.
Listen. Pork, beans, this mixture of heaven sauces. I don't like beans. And I ate those beans. I ate those beans.
The man was basically
That was the first thing he finished. It was the beans and the rice.
Yeah.
Beans and rice.
And cleaned it up.
And then the plantains, I mean, the man had too many of them.
If I want to be critical, like, you know, it's a little dry on the meat, a little bit longer, but honestly, when it was done, it felt good. And then, you know, with the rest 3 minutes, then it's like, oh yeah. But I mean, yeah, being critical, I still give it like a 9, man. I think it's good. It's so good. That sauce is so good.
It was good.
As a whole, it's so good. Plantains, I mean, some of mine came out pretty good. Some of them didn't. So
Actually, I was real proud. That was
proud,
your first time even seeing the vegetable / fruit. I mean, you made it.
You knew what to do.
I told you just do this, and that, and that's all you did. It was
Solid.
perfect.
twice right, baby.
Solid.
Twice right.
Woo! Every time I had a Puerto Rican meal, delicious. And I tell you, top tier.
Yes.
Everything was so good. I'm telling you, the rice, the beans, delicious. Oh my
Good.
god! I really think it's like delicious.
Just delicious.
So how many
teas?
How many
teas
teas?
we gonna give it? How many teas we gonna give
I'll
it?
get 9 teas.
9
teas, yeah.
Again, me being from Puerto Rico, I'm gonna say I represented my country well with this dish. I've had better,
yes.
because I mean,
Yeah.
whenever you go back home, you always have better. But that was my first time actually making the traditional beans, and they were damn good. The pork flavor was amazing. I guess the rarity of the meat needed some work. We didn't have the temperature gauge, so we were kind of just eyeballing it, especially because we were frying it.
Hey,
So
first
it's
time
kind of
making
hard.
it, not bad.
Yeah.
Not
First time deep
eyeballing.
frying
Yeah.
the pork chop.
Yeah.
So yeah, overall the rice was really good too. It was soft. The plantains were perfect. Like for somebody who's never made it, perfect. Everything was really good. So I'm gonna say the Spanish name of it. So chuletas, arroz, habichuelas, y tostones. Everything was perfect. Yeah.
Right through
So
the ears.
that was
Ooh, the chills.
the Bad Bunny meal. I think it was a good representation of the island, the people, the love that we put into the food, and I'm gonna give it 9 as well. It's not perfect, so it can't be a 10, but
Damn close.
it was
there.
so good.
It's there.
Like it's an experience.
It's
It's definitely a good sit down meal that you have with friends and family. Like
Oh, yeah.
it's good.
Party. Oof. Good.
9 across the board. So I would say it's a general consensus that we would definitely recommend you guys try this meal.
Yeah, this one you gotta make. Out of all the, you gotta make this one.
So 100% recommend it.
Do it.
Like, please do it. Tag us down.
Make sure
Let
you
us
tag
know.
Bad Bunny. Tell him this is the Bad Bunny meal, and if he wants us to make it for him, we'll do that.
Right?
Yep.
So I guess we gotta plug our stuff. You know, links to socials down below. Our Discord's down below.
Hit that little bell.
So make sure you guys like the video.
Yeah.
You know, comment down below what else we should make, what type of person of interest we should, hit up next, and I can recreate them in a food form.
Yeah.
Be sure to subscribe, tag them. Show us pics if you guys
Tag
make it.
tag Bad Bunny, and definitely
Please do. Let them know.
send us pictures once you make the dish, and hopefully you get that same experience that we did.
Yep. Now hit you back till next Sunday.
Yeah, next
Let's
video.
go,
Next
baby.
vid.
But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Take care. Be safe.
Love ya.
Next time. Bye. Oh, so full.